If you have lost your Sony Bravia Google TV Remote, or it's broken, then you can still control your TV, such as turn it on or off, decrease or increase the volume, change channels, or switch between HDMI inputs without the TV remote. So let me show you how. To control your Sony Google TV without the remote, we're gonna use the onboard power button. This will be either at the side or at the bottom of your TV, right below the Sony logo. After you have located it, to bring up the controls, you'll simply need to press the power button. This will open the menu. Now you can cycle between these options by short pressing on the power button. To select one option, you need to press and hold it until it's selected. If you want to change inputs, then long press on input, and similarly, short press to cycle between the inputs, and long press to switch to one. But as you can tell, this is a bit inconvenient and only allows the basic controls. So if you want a better alternative to the original remote, then watch this quick guide where I show you how to use your phone as a remote instead. And don't forget to give us a like, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.